Samsung's Galaxy S series has long stuck to a winning formula, especially when it comes to the camera. But that formula might finally get rewritten. A new leak suggests the Galaxy S26 Ultra could bring a camera surprise no one saw coming. A 200-megapixel sensor not made by Samsung but by Sony. Yep, you read that right. After years of relying exclusively on their own ISOCELL sensors for Ultra models, Samsung might be ready to outsource the crown jewel of its camera system. And this wouldn't be just any sensor. The rumor points to a massive 1-inch Sony sensor, one that could seriously elevate image quality, particularly in low light. For context, the current 200-megapixel sensor in the S25 Ultra is far smaller, so this change could mean a whole new level of detail, brightness, and depth, possibly in putting Samsung's imaging on par with the likes of Leica-powered phones and high-end Sony Xperia flagships. But here's the plot twist. Sony hasn't even released a 200-megapixel smartphone sensor yet. So if this leak holds water, Samsung could be the first to roll one out. And that's huge. It wouldn't just be a hardware upgrade, it would mark a strategic shift in Samsung's entire approach to imaging. Still, it's not confirmed. Other reports insist the S26 Ultra will stick with the same resolution, but they stayed silent on who's actually making the sensor. So it's very possible Samsung's keeping a surprise under wraps. There's more. Samsung's also reportedly refreshing the 3x telephoto lens. A new 12-megapixel sensor could replace the aging 10-megapixel one, offering sharper zoom and better color detail. Combine that with the expected next-gen chipset and Samsung's updated image engine, and the S26 Ultra might be more than just an annual refresh. It could be a major turning point. And say goodbye to those chunky camera rings on the back. A sleeker rear design might be in the cards too. So what's your take? Would a Sony-powered main camera make you see the Galaxy S26 Ultra in a new light? Drop your thoughts. The next era of smartphone photography might just be around the corner. Until then, stay tuned.